Hi there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angie and this is Change of Plans with Angie. In today's video, I am going to be unboxing the new Happy Life Folio that just arrived in the mail. So if this sounds like something that interests you, please continue to watch. All right, guys, thank you so much for returning. I'm so happy that you're here. I am so excited to be sharing this video with you all. Look what just came in the mail. I have not opened it. I am dying to open it. This is the new Happy Life Folio. It comes in this super cute box, which I will be keeping. It says happiness starts here. It's like a cream color with polka dots and it is magnetized. And oh my gosh, let's open her up. As you could already tell which color I picked, I went with the Neon Neutral. It was calling my name on the website. It was like, Angie, like I heard it. It was calling me. I had to get it. So let's unbox her. Let's move this box out the way. Y'all know I love something when I start singing. Let me make sure you guys can see what I'm doing. We're going to open this together. I have tried my hardest not to watch a bunch of other videos. Now, after I open it, I'm going to look at some videos for inspiration, try to figure out how I want to use it. As you can see, I ordered this myself. I am not a Happy Planner affiliate. I kind of want to be. I think I'm going to sign up. Like, what do y'all think? I feel like Happy Planner, if you don't like accept me in the program, I'm going to be so heartbroken. But I feel like I saw all the affiliates. Everyone was getting them left and right. There were 3 colors. There was the Neon Neutral. There was a pink one. And then there was like a espresso, like chocolate brown that had like a purple strap. So I don't know why this cream and neon was calling my name. I really don't want to tear this paper up. So I'm going to see if I can just pull it up. Oh, look at that. We were able to save it. Love that. I'm going to put this in like my junk journal or something. But here is the folio. I don't know if you guys can see it or if it's even doing it any justice. It is so neon. I freaking love it. Here's the back. It also has like a white and a purple here. I'm just telling you what I see. I'm not going to be perfect. I'm literally just a regular person just seeing it for the first time. So I figure I would tell you all about it. So this one is the Neon Neutral. It is in vegan leather. This one was, I think they all are $49.99. But let me tell you, your girl had points. I had $25 in points and I was able to use them. So including using my $25 plus shipping, I want to say it came to like $31 and that was up my alley. It is an undated planner from what I'm seeing online. It is customizable and it is in the A5 size. I did go ahead and I found some charms. Like I kind of had an idea. I'm also, as soon as I'm done with this video, we have to go pick up an order from Michael's. So of course I'm gonna go in Michael's because I only went to Hobby Lobby. So I'm gonna see what Michael's has in there and we're gonna get like this decorated. But let's open it. Y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm just super talkative. Here it says plan a happy life. It feels so good. Like, oh my goodness, that feels so good inside. Here we have, and again, this is not a technical review. If you are looking for that, you're gonna have to look at somebody else's. This is like a, I guess, pocket. And inside you have some stickers. Looks like the bands inside are what we saw before, which is the purple and the white. Because it's undated, you have your dates here. You have your month. You have your months here. Again, I guess we'll figure out when to use them. You have some little icons like a blow dryer and there's like a paw, I guess calendar, airplane. So it looks like you'll be using these in the planner. So I am happy that they give those to us. Here are the days of the month so that you can date the calendar that's in here along with like important reminder, you know, to-dos and things like that. Here we have some dots. I don't really know what these are going to be for, but we will figure it out. Here we have some tabs. And from what I saw on Instagram, right, because remember I said I wasn't watching people videos, you put the tabs, you can figure out if you want side tabs or if you want top tabs. And then there are some blank ones here, so you can write whatever you want. So I feel like I'll probably decorate this side. If you're not familiar, these are in here by these like cords. I don't know what they're called. They remind me of like little bungee cords. That's what's holding them in here. You can pull them out, readjust them however you want to. Maybe you don't want this in the front, you want that in the back. This side of it has a zippered pocket, so you can put some things in there. You could also put some really cute stickers, or maybe stickers you don't want to like commit to sticking down. That could be cute. So again, this one was a top pocket here. Here you have a regular zipper there. Here's a folder. And remember, it is in here by the cord. So you have a folder. I'm loving this like neutral. This planner feels amazing. So like I love the way this feels. So let's see, this says planner. So we have our name page. Here's the calendar. You have a dot grid and some lines at the bottom. You can tell that these are where those dates are supposed to go. They have the little line there. Let's see, the month. This month's intentions or focus. You have your to-do list. This says notes, thoughts, feelings, and happy little things. Same here. You have your currently page. So currently reading, creating, loving, feeling, planning, listening, going, dreaming. And then you have a place to write, or you can even decorate. And then it looks like it just cycles through again. Let me just double check that there's nothing different. So just a really simple like monthly planner. And it makes me think about all the people that I see online who are like, you know, I live a boring life. I don't have a lot. I don't decorate a lot. Like, I feel like this is just perfect. It is straight and to the point. Maybe a regular planner like overwhelms you. You don't know what to put or how to decorate. Y'all know I'm gonna try to decorate these. So we're gonna do some playing with me's to maybe get some ideas. But this is really cool. So you are still technically getting a planner, a more simple planner. Everything is cream and black, just in case you guys can't tell. And then here it says journal. So I believe this is like a regular journal. So you could highlight it, you could decorate it. I've seen just a few people do like junk journaling in here. Like, it is very simple, and I feel like that's the thing I like. Sometimes things can get overwhelming when you have a lot to do. This is just very simple, to the point. Here we have a pen loop, so you can put your pen in there. Sorry, I'm just checking out my stitching. It looks a little funky right here. But for the most part, I really like this. I think this is really cool. So, like I said, I just wanted to show it to you guys. You've probably already seen the videos. I have not. I'm going to figure out if I like this order, if I want to, like, how I want to set this up. And because it's cream, I feel like it's like a clean slate, and I can just do any and everything. I have seen people decorate in these folios, and they are getting chunky. I love a chunky planner. So I'm excited to see what comes of this folio. I'm just excited to like dive into it and play around with it and decorate it. I knew I had to have it when I was seeing people with charms. I love gaudy like charms and pins. Y'all know I love like putting a pin inside, and I'm like, wait, I can dangle stuff? Like, oh yeah, I went to Hobby Lobby and I racked up. So yeah, I hope in the future they will be bringing out some more things other than just the journal and the planner that we can like maybe purchase and add on. So yeah, anyway, I'm not going to talk about a lot because again, we're going to do some playing with me. So there's probably going to be a video like organizing it and stuff, but I just wanted to put that out there. This is the Happy Life Folio in the Neon Neutral with the vegan leather. On the website, they are $49.99. So yeah, I just want to thank you all for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to come on over to Instagram. My name is Change of Plans with Angie. come on and be my friend over there. You can DM me, you can chat with me. I talk to folks all day long. When I say sun up to sundown, I am chit-chatting. I'm making stories and posts, and I just am really enjoying Instagram right now. Also, I have my shop has its own Instagram. I'll put it down below. And also, while you're here, if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that button so you don't miss any content that is coming up. So I just want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.